Thank you for your interest in taking e-learning courses created by Heavenly Care Incorporated. We specialize in caregiver continuing education, natural solutions for great health, and financial tools for home and business. These courses can be taken with Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Unix, iPhone and iPad iOS, and Android with all popular browsers. Install the Moodle app on your device of choice as they work very well with our courses. They can be downloaded and taken at your favorite quiet spot without the need of internet access. We will go over the installation, registration, and application features to get you off to a smooth start and the best learning experience. You will be registered and ready to begin in minutes. Installing the Moodle app for the desktop. 1. Type in Microsoft Store in the lower left of your Windows 10 search box. 2. Type in Moodle Desktop in the upper right search box of the Microsoft Store. 3. Click on the Get button and follow the instructions for installation. Installing the Moodle app for the Mac, iPhone, or iPad. 1. Go to the App Store and type in Moodle app. 2. Click on the Get button to install. Install the Moodle app for the Android. 1. Go to Google Play. 2. Click on Install. Email-based self-registration. Once you have installed the app, you can begin the quick process of first needing to create an account. 1. Click on the link or enter the following, and it is case sensitive, so be sure to type it exactly, as the site address. Click on the Connect button. 2. Go ahead and click on Create New Account. 3. Fill out the form presented. Be sure to keep your username and password in a place where you can refer to it in the future. 4. Click on Create My New Account at the bottom. 5. You are then presented with the Success dialog box saying you should have been sent an email containing instructions to complete your registration. 6. After locating the email, click on the link provided to confirm your new account. There is also a link at the bottom to a user quick guide if you need further help. 7. Once you are logged in, you will be presented with the opportunity to provide further information and a picture of yourself. 8. After saving the additional personal information, you can proceed to begin your desired course. Okay, now that you have installed the app and completed your registration, you can drill down on the Course Categories folder to enroll in one of our course offerings. But first notice 5 icons located on the left side or at the bottom. The first one is the Home icon, which is currently selected. The next is the Messaging, then the Notifications, Files, and finally Settings. By choosing these, you can jump to these options. The Messages option will allow you to contact me, Lawrence Richmond, when you have the need for help, or other students taking the same courses as you. Notice the search icon in the upper right. If you click on it, then you will have the opportunity to search for myself and others to request permission to start a conversation. Note, while you are signed in and taking a course, you will be able to see others who are also taking courses. This will be visible under the Participants tab. The third icon is the Notifications page, where you will get alerts to certain activities such as a request from someone to start a conversation. You simply click on that person's name and then choose from the upper right to add them to your contacts. A request is then automatically sent to that person, and when they accept, you will be able to converse. The fourth icon is for files. There may be occasions where a course you are taking makes available to you a file to download or may request an assignment from you. In this section, you can access these files or upload one if needed. You can use your camera to provide a profile picture or other image related to the course, record an audio or video, and any other file. The fifth and last icon is for more options available. Those options are 1. Personal options for providing a picture of yourself and to draft messages, links, notes, etc. to access later. Number 2, there is a link to the Moodle documentation in the event you would like to explore its capabilities. Number 3, app settings are provided such as language, text size, message, and notification preferences. And lastly, number 4, there is the option to log out. Now back to the home page where we can drill down and choose a course. So when you choose course categories from the home page, then you will see what is available by category. Pick your area of interest, for example, Natural Health Solutions. This will then reveal the courses available identified by the graduation hats. Choose a course where you can quickly provide payment via PayPal and immediately get started. Thank you so much for taking the time to prepare for a great learning experience.